It is officially empty in here. You guys can literally hear my echo. Oh my god, like what? Nothing is in here, you guys. That's so crazy. I'm logging on my phone right now only because my camera's already packed away. But this morning was so emotional for me. One, because my mom left in the morning. If you guys didn't know, I live with my parents. My dad already left, and then my mom left this morning, which was really, really sad. And then my sister left literally an hour later. That literally just put me to tears. Like, we're all just like leaving and like moving on with our lives. It was really, really sad this morning for me. Oh my god, this echo is so crazy. Like, I've been here for like 9 years, which is so crazy to me. But I got my hair done this morning. I'm finally ready to go. My 2 bags are packed, and I just have my carry-on as well and my luggage. So it's a lot of stuff that I am traveling with. So I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I possibly can. But just so you guys know, it's 2 bags. It's actually 4 bags and 1 of little old me. So I'm actually gonna really, really try my hardest to vlog. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the airport. Okay, I'm in the Uber right now. We're headed to the airport. I left pretty early because I'm just a girl and I have a lot of bags. I struggle, I can't even vlog, but I struggle with bringing my bags in. I'll see you guys once I get to the airport. Probably when I'm like going through TSA and these bags are out of my hands.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's all a blessing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it.
So we're headed to Target right now. After work, I literally passed out. I'm so tired. Took like a 3-hour nap, but we're gonna go to Target right now because I need a few things. I need a new toothbrush. I need some hangers so I can hang my clothes up. If they don't have the hangers that I want, I'm gonna either just order the ones I want off of Amazon. And then what else do I need? I don't know what else I want from Target, but I'm just gonna go ahead and see what Target tells me that I need. So yeah. This is big enough. Get me a towel. I like this one, and then like this is also for the soap. Like a woody feel. Ooh, the woody feel will go with the aesthetic that I want for the bedroom. That would also be nice. It's good. Yeah, I do that too. It won't be hard. Right, so you know what to do. I'm getting dressed to head to work now. I just have on this bodysuit top from Primark. And then my shorts are from Alexander Wang. I don't have the matching hoodie first, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna wear my Aritzia hoodie. Only because I know it's gonna be cold in the shop. But it's gray, but I like gray, so, but it's not too bad. Like, this is like heather gray, and it's like, I don't know, it don't matter. But I just know I need a hoodie because yesterday it was kind of cold in the shop. So this is my outfit. I don't know what sneakers I'm gonna wear. I'm probably just gonna wear some slides. I need to buy some Crocs because I did not pack my Crocs. Well, I ended up throwing away my Crocs, so I need some new Crocs. But yeah, this is my outfit of the day. I'm also doing a TikTok, so I gotta figure out how I'm doing it because right now I'm recording on my phone because all my batteries on my camera died. So I need to figure out my life, but we're about to head to work. I want to get there a little early to set up and everything, so I'm about to go ahead and start leaving now. So my closet is literally a mess. I did put my shoes away, well, basically in the boxes. I need to organize how I want my shoes to look like, but and hang up all my clothes, as you guys can see. But I'm gonna do that either tomorrow or Friday. Today's Wednesday. I'm either do it Friday or tomorrow because I ordered my hangers, and that's when my hangers come in. My hangers come in tomorrow at 8, so I might just do my closet tomorrow or Friday because so far I don't have any clients on Friday. So yeah, anyways, let's head to work. Today we are finally going to tackle my closet, you guys. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see if I can show you. My closet is a mess. Yeah, so I've been living in bags, and that's honestly why I look like this right now. Like, I'm just throwing clothes on every single day. So we're gonna do my closet. I got my hangers. I got my hangers already from Amazon. I got these like felt tip skinny hangers. I think these are the best things to use because honestly it doesn't take up as much room in your closet. So I got these hangers. I got 50 of them for now because I don't know how much clothes that I have. So if I need more, I'm just gonna go ahead and order them. So it's been a couple of hours. I'm gonna show you guys what I've done so far. I basically finished hanging up all my shirts that I need to hang up. I just need to go ahead and organize like my tops, my sweaters, my dresses all in one section. I finished clearing out the bag and stuff. And this bag is filled, literally filled to the brim of like my bikinis and like my pants and like other like dainty little stuff that I'm not gonna be able to hang. So I was thinking about getting like a shelf from IKEA or like Target to put here as well and put that there. I'm not too sure yet. I'm trying to look for inspo on TikTok. So yeah, this is my closet so far. I did a lot. Like I had 3 of these bags and I cleared out 2 of them, and basically I finished organizing everything because all this right here I know are my jeans, my pants, and like my little dainty like summer stuff. So yeah, I know that's in there. I put away like my undergarments and stuff, so that's that. I just need to go ahead and start ordering some stuff from from Amazon, like my makeup, that's in here. I need to go ahead and put away. I was thinking about putting in like a little vanity here and just have like my little bathroom stuff, like my shower stuff in here in this bathroom. So I need something for here as well. It's just nothing to clutter the space at all, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I look a mess, you guys. Today has literally been like getting my apartment together. Hey you guys and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Igami D here, and today I don't know what this video is going to be because I was vlogging and then I wasn't vlogging, so we're just gonna add all these videos together in a video, but it's gonna make sense because basically this video is gonna be me just getting my life together. As you guys know, I just moved to Atlanta, so I'm just basically just trying to set up my bedroom and stuff, like all my clothes and yada 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 yada. I was thinking now to actually put my shoes down in the bottom and then hang my pants on top, because I do have a lot of pants, and then like I also have like little small tops that like doesn't make sense to hang. I was gonna hang them in my drawer. I'm gonna have like my makeup station over here, and then I'm gonna put like my hair stuff in this cabinet over here. So yeah, that's basically what we're going to do today. I ordered this acrylic cabinet that I want to put underneath my cabinet. That I want to put underneath the cabinet so I could put like my hair stuff, like my flat irons, my curling iron, my blow dries, and like my hair products in there. I was gonna put that underneath here, but that doesn't come till Thursday, so I'm just gonna leave that to do. I know when I edit this video, I'm literally gonna think this video is all over the place. But like that has literally been my life, all over the place. But I also thought today, like, let me go ahead and go to the beauty supply store because I do need a hot comb and some hairspray so I can do my hair properly, because once my hair starts to get old, I want to be able to like lay my edges and stuff. I also thought, let me go to Sephora because I need a toner because I ran out of my toner this morning. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store, and then I'm also gonna go to Sephora. It is dumb hot. Like, it says my car is 92 degrees, and then I think outside it's probably like 84 degrees. It's 83 degrees. Wait, let me stop rambling and turn on my AC and get the hell out of here, get on the road, because I don't want to be outside for too long. So yeah, I will see you guys once I get to the beauty supply store. Okay, that is secured. Now we are headed to Sephora. I don't want to go too far because I keep hearing about this Atlanta traffic, and I know it does get as crazy. I know it is worse than New York's traffic, because one time I had to go to the airport, and honestly, I had to go to the airport, and I was driving to the airport, and it was like usually like a 40-minute drive. Why did it take me 2 hours to get to the airport? Okay, great. It says 22 minutes. Yeah, and there's also a Bath and Body Works shop over there, so I might low-key go buy some candles. So yeah, but I'm not trying to spend too much money. Like, I'm literally giving myself a budget, so I'm telling myself I'm only gonna get what I need from Sephora, and I probably only get like 2 candles. Honestly, if there's no sale, there should be a sale because yesterday was Memorial Day. But yeah, let me stop rambling because I keep forgetting to change out my memory card. It just have 4 minutes. So yeah, let's head to Sephora. Convinced my GPS don't even know where I'm at because it's telling me Sephora is on the left when I damn near sit on the right. So like, where are you trying to take me? So we made it back into my car. I'm gonna talk real quick because again, like I said, I don't have any memory. Let me just delete something off the memory card. So we made it to Sephora. They did not have what I wanted in Sephora, and I went to 2 Sephoras. Bruh. And they didn't have it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and order it online. I completely wasted my time coming here because I had no business coming here. But I did end up going to Bath and Body Works. I just got 2 candles because you guys know I like to bring candles when I do my clients' lashes. I got champagne toast, of course, and then the other one I got was white t-shirt because I'm kind of running low on the candles that I have in the house, and I like to like burn candles in the house too. And then I also got this peach milky bubble tea. I didn't even know it was gonna be milky. So we're gonna try it and see what we like, and then we're just gonna go ahead and just end up like ordering what I need. I didn't say that. We're gonna end up ordering what I need online. But yeah, this is the bubble tea. Got it from Tea Time. It's good. It tastes like, it's really good. It tastes like tapioca, even though bubble tea is tapioca. But it tastes like that and like peach. It's good. I like it. But anyways, I'm about to go ahead and head back into the house so I can finish doing my closet. Because I also need to pack because I'm leaving to go to New York to do my clients' lashes there in like a couple of days. So I definitely need to organize my closet, like for real, like dead ass. But let me stop rambling and go back home. So I will see you guys when I get home.